Children, train your mind to see the good in everything. Positivity is a choice. The happiness of your life depends on the quality of your thoughts. Keeping this in mind, let us start today's science virtual class. Before we proceed further, let us discuss the points of differences between ionic bond and covalent bond. Ionic bond is formed due to transfer of electrons from one atom to another. We have seen in formation of ionic compound sodium chloride, that is NaCl, electron is transferred from sodium to chlorine atom. Sodium cation and chloride anion are formed. Covalent bond is formed due to sharing of electrons between two or more atoms. Covalent bond is formed due to sharing of electrons, and ionic bond is formed by transfer of electron from one atom to another. Atoms of metals and nonmetals combine to form ionic bonds. In formation of sodium chloride, the constituent elements are sodium atom and chlorine atom. Sodium atom is a metal atom and chlorine element is a non-metal. So atoms of metals and non-metals combine to form ionic bond. Atoms of non-metals combine to form covalent bonds. So children, is it clear to you? Ionic bond is formed between metal atom and non-metal atom. But the covalent bond is formed between atoms of non-metals. Molecules of compounds formed due to ionic bond split up into ions in aqueous solution. In covalent bond, molecules of compounds formed due to covalent bond do not split up into ions in solution. For example, when NaCl, sodium chloride, is dissolved in water, ionic bond split up and ions are formed in aqueous solution. But molecules of compound formed due to covalent bond do not split up into ions in aqueous solution. So these are the points of differences between ionic bond and covalent bond. Children, you write down these points of distinction between ionic and covalent bond into your science copy. We are going to study in detail covalent bond. Generally, a covalent bond is formed when atoms of two elements having similar properties combine. Such atoms cannot exchange electrons. Instead, these atoms share electrons with each other. The shared electrons become a common property of both the atoms, and thereby the electron octet or duplet of both the atoms become complete. Covalent bond is formed between atoms of two elements having similar properties combined. For example, if we consider formation of hydrogen molecule, two hydrogen atoms, they combine, and the bond which is formed between two hydrogen atoms is covalent bond. And in this formation of covalent bonds, atoms share electrons with each other. Clear to you? In ionic bond, there is a transfer of electron from one atom to another atom. But here in covalent bond, there is no transfer of electron. Instead, there is a sharing of electron between the two constituent atoms. The Thus, by sharing of electrons, the constituent atoms gain octet or duplet. Clear? We will consider the example of hydrogen molecule. We have seen in chapter Inside an Atom that a hydrogen atom contains one electron and its duplet is short of one electron, and therefore the valency of hydrogen is 1. Why the valency of hydrogen is 1? Because hydrogen atom has only one proton and therefore only one electron is there in K shell. Its duplet is short of one electron, means it has to acquire one electron in order to complete the duplet stable state. So the valency of hydrogen is 1. The two atoms of hydrogen are identical and have similar tendency, and therefore they share their electrons with each other. As a result, the electron duplet of both the hydrogen atoms is complete and a chemical bond is formed between them. Let us see how it happens in this diagram. Children, see here, hydrogen has only one electron in the K shell. Two hydrogen atoms are identical and they have similar tendency, and therefore they share their electrons with each other, and as a result electron duplet of both the hydrogen atoms is complete and a chemical bond is formed between them. Here in hydrogen molecule, electron duplet is completed by sharing of electron between two hydrogen atoms, and the bond which is formed due to sharing of electron is called as covalent bond. A covalent bond between two atoms is also represented by dash joining their symbol. So if you write H dash H, it is understood that between two hydrogen atoms a covalent bond is formed. Clear to you how hydrogen molecule is formed from two hydrogen atoms? Now let us see how an water molecule, H2O molecule of a covalent compound is formed from hydrogen and oxygen. There are 6 electrons in the valence shell of oxygen atom. It means that the electron octet in oxygen is short of 2 electrons and the valency of oxygen is 2. In the H2O molecule, the oxygen atom completes its octet by forming 2 covalent bonds, one each with the 2 hydrogen atoms. While this happens, the duplet of 2 hydrogen atoms also are completed. Children, this can be easily understood by seeing this diagram. Hydrogen atom has only one electron in its K shell. Here in formation of water molecule, 2 hydrogen atoms and 1 oxygen atom are taking part. These 2 hydrogen atoms are short of duplet. They require 1 electron in order to complete their duplet stable state. Oxygen has atomic number 8. It has electronic configuration 2, 6. There are 6 electrons in the outermost orbit of oxygen atom, and it is short of 2 electrons in order to complete its octet state. So, in formation of water molecule, oxygen shares 1 electron each with 1 hydrogen atom. See here, both the hydrogen atoms, they got their duplet state completed, and similarly oxygen atom also got its octet state complete. Means oxygen has got now 8 electrons in its orbit. So the octet of oxygen atom is completed, and hydrogen atom, both the hydrogen atoms, they are having 2 electrons. So their duplet state is also completed. In this way, oxygen atom shares 2 electrons with 2 hydrogen atoms, and water molecule is formed. So the water molecule can be written like this: H dash O dash H. Means oxygen atom has formed 2 covalent bonds with 2 hydrogen atoms. This is how water molecule has been formed by covalent bond. Clear to you all? There is one covalent bond between the component atoms hydrogen and chlorine of the molecule HCl. Children, we can discuss the formation of HCl molecule in the exercise in next video. Clear? You will come to know how HCl molecule is formed from hydrogen and chlorine atoms by formation of covalent bond between them, and we will discuss the diagram of formation of HCl molecule in the exercise based on this lesson in next video. Thank you.